represent these numbers or number line exercise 1.2 first problem, Telangana 8th class. So first number is 9 over 7, 9 sevenths. After looking at this fraction, you should come to a understanding that one whole is made into 7 equal parts and 9 parts are taken. If one whole is made 7 parts, 9 parts, if 9 parts are taken, it means that the fraction must be more than 1. Or in other words, when the numerator is more than the denominator, the fraction will be improper fraction which is more than 1. So in that case, you have to calculate, you have to find this fraction in the same value of the value of the fraction in mixed fraction. For that you divide 9 by 7. So 7 ones 7, so 2 will remain. Means there will be one whole, these will be remaining parts. This will indicate the remaining parts, right? So therefore 9 sevenths is equal to 1 whole 2 sevenths, right? Now let us locate 9 sevenths on number line, right? So first of all, keep arrow marks on both sides, don't forget. So our number is between 1 and 2, that is why. So you draw 0, write 0 with equal distance, write 1, and with some equal distance you write 2. Now divide the distance between 1 and 2 into 7 equal parts. It is more than 1, no? Number will be this number, 9 sevenths will be after 1 before 2. That is why divide this into 7 equal parts. For dividing that, you have to keep 6 lines here. If you have to you have to divide the part between 1 and 2 into 7 equal parts. For doing that, you have to keep 6 lines. So for keeping 6 lines, I am keeping almost here half. So I am keeping here one part, right? One line. So 2, 3, 4. So they are not equal, right? But you use ruler, scale, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts you have made. If you use a ruler, they will be same, almost same you maintain with it, right? So this is 1. So the 0 will be 0 by 7. Sevenths we need, no? Sevenths we need. This one whole. One whole means 7 sevenths. If you make one whole 7 parts, 7 parts will be 7 sevenths will be 1. 7 by 7. 7 ones, 7 1 will get, right? So this will be 14 sevenths, right? If you make one whole 7 parts, if you divide one whole into 7 equal parts, 14 parts will make 2 wholes, right? So now this will be 1 whole 1 seventh. This will be 2 whole, 1 whole 2 sevenths, right? So this is what we located 9 sevenths. This will be 1 whole 3 sevenths, 1 whole 4 sevenths, 1 whole 5 sevenths, 1 whole 6 sevenths, right? Next, or else you can write it as 7 by 7, 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7. You can write in that way also, right? So you write here this number is 9 sevenths. In that way we have to locate the number. So next number, minus 7 by 5, minus 7 over 5. How to locate this number? It means here, first of all, let me write minus 7 by 5, right? So on the number line, so if it is also improper fraction, convert this into mixed fraction, right? So 5 ones 5, you divide here in rough. This you should not rub after solving the problem. This should be visible to the person who, if it is an examination, it should be visible that you did not write by copying or right directly. They should know that you did this, right? 5 ones 5. It means it is equal to 1 whole 2 fifths. But minus is there, no? This you don't forget minus, right? So it is minus 1 whole and 2 fifths, right? Minus 1 whole and it means on number line, let us write first of all, right? So this will be on the negative numbers will be on the left side of 0. So let us go in this direction now. minus 1 minus 2. One whole should be made into 5 equal parts, right? So as it should be made 5 equal parts, you have to keep 4 lines where between 0 to 1 or 1 between 0 and minus 1 or minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 whole 2/5. It will be between minus 1 and minus 2, right? On the left side, if you don't consider the numbers, negative symbol 1, 2. 1 whole 2/5 will be on the left of 1, right? That is why what you do here, divide this into 5 equal parts. For dividing that, you have to keep 4 lines. So here 1 line, four lines, right? First part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Now it is 0 by 5. It is 1. 1 is minus 5 by 5, right? Minus 2 is minus 10 by 5, right? 5 ones, 5 twos. Equivalent fraction of 2 is minus 10 by 5. Minus 1 is minus 5 by 5. Now, so if you divide this also, so this will be 5 by 5. No, this next will be minus 6 by 5. Next will be minus 7 by 5. Next will be minus 8 by 5. Next will be minus 9 by 5. This will be minus 10 by 5. Right? So you have to make it. If you have to make 5 parts, keep 4 lines. If you have to make 10 parts, you have to keep 9 lines. Right? If you keep 9 lines, parts will be 10. Here, as you have to make 5 parts, 5 equal parts, I have kept 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So it became 5 parts, right? Remember that. And the distance between them you manage almost equal by using a ruler or scale, right? Now write down. Located, right? Second question, represent minus 2 over 13, 5 over 13, minus 9 over 13 on number line. 5 by 13, it is a proper fraction and less than 1. So it will be between 0 and 1. 0 is less than, 5 by 13 is less than 1. Right? And minus 2 over 13, minus 9 over 13 will be between. So if you don't see the symbols, minus symbol, this will also be proper fraction less than 1. So that is why these two numbers will be, this is also proper fraction less than. That is why these two numbers will be between 0 and minus 1. So as we have to make 13 equal parts, as you have to make number line into 13 equal parts, you draw line as big as possible, keep arrow marks, and you keep 0 in between. Somewhere here far away you keep minus 1, and observe almost equal distance and keep here 1. Now you have to divide this part and this part almost into 13 equal parts, right? You have divide into 13 equal parts. So if you divide 13 equal parts, if you consider middle 6.5 parts, 6.5 parts should be there. So that is why instead of keeping at exactly middle, keep somewhat this side, right? So here this side, now this side should be 6 parts, this side should be 7 parts. Totally 6 plus 7, 13. Here I have to make 6 parts, 6 parts means if you keep in middle one line, so this side 3 parts, this side 3 parts. 3 parts means here one line, here one line, and here one line, here one line. 6 parts made on this side. Now this side 7 parts. And if you consider the middle of it, 3.5, 3.5. Here there should be 7 parts. In middle there should be, if you keep one line middle, this should be 3.5, that side should be 3.5. So that is why you keep somewhat far away. Means here in this part 4, in this part 3, right? So 1, 2, 3 parts. Here I have to make here 4 parts now. 4 parts means in middle one line, here one line, here one line. So now they are made 13 equal parts, right? 1, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one, 11th, 12th, 13th one. Right? 13 equal parts are made and 12 lines will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is actually what? 0 by 13. 0 13s. This is, as one whole is made 13 equal parts, this will be 13 13s, right? This will be 13 13s. So this will be minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13. So this is minus 2 by 13. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Minus 9 13s, right? So this is minus 9 13. This is minus 2 13s. As I did here, you do here, right? Divide 13, as I have divided 13 parts, you try here in the same way, right? I don't waste time. So after dividing, you continue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 13s you write, right? So this you have tried. Sorry, this is 1. This is 13 13s, right? So 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13. Divide this part into 13 equal parts. And you continue. Question says, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. So I think there won't be any easier question than this. So 5 by 6 means one whole is made into 6 equal parts and 5 parts are taken. So if you make one whole 6 parts and if you take 4 parts, that is less than 5 by 6. If you make anything 6 parts and if you take 3 parts, that will be less than 5 by 6. If you make anything 6 parts and if you take 2 parts, that will be less than 5 by 6. If you make anything 6 parts and if you take 1 by 6, that will be less than 6. So similarly 0 by 6. So minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6. All these numbers will be on the left side of 5 by 6. That is why these all numbers are less than 5 by 6. Very simple. So if you have some idea, 5 by 6 is more than 1, right? 5 by 6 is greater than, 5 by 6 is greater than 0. It is positive number. So if you write 5, they are asking 5 rational numbers. All integers are also rational numbers only. So you can write minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Right? So how you can answer? It depends upon your knowledge, how much knowledge you have on this rational numbers, right? So this is also correct, this is also correct, and you can write, if needed, you can write decimal numbers also. You can write in decimal numbers also. If you convert this into decimal form, you will get some number, right? Let us divide 5 by 6, right? 6. 6. So if you don't know division, let us. So first of all, what to do? One digit is there, no? So 6 zeros 0. You subtract, you got 5. You keep here point, you keep here 0. 6 8s 48. 2 is remaining. Keep 0. 6 3s 18. 2 is remaining. So this will continue. 8.3333, it will continue. So the numbers which are smaller than 0.83 bar, it is equal to 0.83 bar. So the rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6 are, so you can write here from this. So 0.1, right? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So these are all rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6, right? That is what? Write 5 rational numbers smaller than 5 by 6. Find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. First of all, what you do, locate as these numbers are also you have learnt as them as integers in previous classes. So first of all locate them. -1, 0, 1 and 2. Right? So you have been learning decimal numbers from 4th class itself. This is 8th class problem. So -1 is here, 2 is here. So if you write any numbers between 1 and 2, also they will be between -1 and 2. So you have been learning 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2. 12 completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can leave them as this. They are also rational numbers. If you want to express them in fractions, so after decimal point 1 digit is there, means it is 1/10, means 1 whole is divided into 10 equal parts. So there are no wholes. So this is 2 tenths, right? 3 tenths, dash 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 right here up to here. This is 9 tenths. This is 10 tenths, right? So this is equal to 10 tenths is equal to 1, right? So this is 1 whole 1/10 or else 11 tenths. So this is 1 whole 2 tenths, 1 whole 2 tenths, 0 wholes 2 tenths. So that's why simply we wrote 2 tenths. So 1 whole 2 tenths is equal to 12 tenths, right? So these are all rational numbers between -1 and 2. As they have asked you only 12, write only 12. So in another way, how can you write is, without changing the value of -1, if you multiply -1 by any number, I am taking 10. If you multiply and divide the number with a fixed number, the value won't change. So -10 by 10 means again this factor, whatever I have multiplied and divided by same number, that is called a same factor it is. So 10 ones can be cancelled here. So you will remain again with -1 only. 10 ones, 10 ones. So this is equal to again -1 itself, right? So that its value is not changed. So I am representing 1 in another form, right? So this is called equivalent fraction of -1, right? So again 2. Write 2 as again same 2 into 10 by 10. Multiply and divide with the same number so that the value of the number won't change. 2, 10 ones, 10 ones. So this is again 20 by 10. So now you write here -1 is -10 by 10, 2 is 20 by 10. So you know integers -10 to 20, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So you can write all those numbers by keeping denominators 10 for each and every one. So between -10 by 10 and 20 by 10, you have to write 12 numbers, right? -9 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10, -6 by 10, -5 by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 by 10, right? -3 by 10, -2 by 10, -1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, dash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How we wrote more than 12. That's it, right? If you have to go in other method, if you have any other method, you can post in comments, right? Instead of 10, you can multiply by 5 also, right? It will be -5 by 5. This will be 10 by 5. Even then also you can write the 12 numbers between -1 and 2, right? Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. I think it's question number 5 itself. So we will do this in 3 ways so that you will get clarity on rational numbers. So first method, I am equalizing the denominators. First of all, I am writing the given fractions 2 by 3, 3 by 4, right? Now without changing the value of the fraction, I can equalize the denominators. 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Again write the fractions as it is. Without changing the value of the fraction, I have to change only denominators. Right? So I know that in 3 table, 4 table, the first number that comes is 12. Nothing but that is the LCM of 3 and 4. So to get the number 12 in the denominator, I have to multiply here by 4. So whenever you multiply denominator or numerator with any number, you have to do the same with the other. If you multiply denominator, multiply in the numerator also. So that 4 gets cancelled, again 2 by 3 will remain. Right? This is common factor here, right? So here also, as there is 4 here, to get 12 here, you have to multiply by 3. You must multiply in the numerator also. So that common factor will get cancelled and will remain 3 by 4. Right? Means 2 4s 8 by 12. This is 9 by 12. Right? So very good, right? So here, if there is an integer between 8 and 9, I would have written here that number. If I got here 7, if I got here 9, so 8 by 12 I have written. But between 8 and 9 there is no integer. So what I have to do, I have to again, what I did here, the given number is 2 by 3 here. I have written equivalent fraction with denominators 12. But here denominators I have equalized, but here numerators are 8 and 9. Between 8 and 9 there is no integer. So I cannot write now. So for that what I should do, these two are equal. Again you can increase the denominator to any number. But you must remember that you multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. 9 into 2 by 12 into 2. Right? So 8 to 16, 12 to 24. 9 to 18, 12 to 24, right? Now you got, right? So 16 24, 18 20. These two are again same. 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 12. 8 by 12, and these three fractions are same. Don't think that they are different. They are equivalent fractions, right? 8 to 16, 8 3 is 24. 9 to, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. Again 3 by 4. Right? So now 16 by 24, 18 by 24 means between what is there? 17 by 24 will be there. So this is one of the rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. There are many again. If you write more and more, what you do? You go on increasing the value of the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, right? This is one of the methods. Next, what you do? So you divide 2 by 3, right? So 3 0 0, 2 you got, keep here point and keep here 0. 3 6s 18, you will get 2 0 6, again you will get 18 2 6. So 6 6 6 dash will continue, right? 18. So this is what? So 2 by 3 value is 0.666, nothing but 0.6 bar, right? Similarly, you divide 3 by 4. If you divide 3 by 4, you will get 0.75, right? It is a terminating decimal. It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Both are also rational numbers only. Again, you can convert this into this. Both are same, right? You can write 75 by 100. 75 and again 3 by 4, right? So now 0.6666 is 0.75. So 0.666 dash 0.75. In between you can write any number of digits. What you can write? Even if you write 0.67, true, correct. 0.68, correct. 0.6777 if you write, correct, right? Whatever you write, so that should be in between, right? So easy one is 0.7, right? 0.7 is a number which is between 0.666 and 0.75. Okay, this is second method. Third method, I will go for mean method. The mean of two numbers is a plus b by 2. What are numbers here? 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 by 2. Right? So this is by no. I am writing here 2. This is no. So easy method is denominators are not same. When you are simplifying addition or subtractions, you have to equalize the denominators. So that's why you should see the LCM of the denominators. LCM of denominators is 12. Means in 3 table and 4 table, the first number that comes is 12. Same like this, right? So we have to equalize the denominator. This will be 8 by 12. This will be 9 by 12. If you add, how much you will get? You will get 17 by 12, right? You will get 17 by 12. So this will be, or else when the denominators are not same, if you have addition, you cross multiply. 2 4s same, the method is same. 2 4s 8 plus 3 3s 9. You have to keep that in brackets and by you multiply this. That is what the LCM, like this, right? So LCM is 12, right? So here you have to multiply, cross multiply. 2 4s 8, 3 3s 9. Remember, right? You again multiply the denominator. 3 4s 12. Right? So 8 plus 9, 17 by 12 by 2. As we discussed already, see R also. So this is the main denominator, right? So below denominator there is 2, above there is fraction. So whatever there is available above main denominator, so that should be written as it is 7 by 12. So this 2 is there, no? So means it is dividing by a number. Dividing by a number is same as multiplying with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2, right? So now how do you multiply fractions? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 17 ones 17, 12 twos 24. So answer is 17 by 24. Again you got same 17 24, right? Mean method, decimal, it is equivalent fractions with same denominators. This is the method of equivalent fractions we have written with the same denominators, right? We have equalized the denominators of the two fractions in the method 1, right? Thanks for watching. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. The easiest way of doing this is, first of all, convert the given fractions into decimal form. Minus 3 by 4, what you do, you divide. 3 divided by 4. If you divide, you will get 0.75. So you will get 0.75 here, right? So now divide 5 by 6. I will divide here 5 by 6, right? 6 zeros 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Keep here point, keep here 0. 6 8s 48. 2 remaining. Again keep here 0. 6 3s 18. 2 is remainder. Keep here 0. 6 3s 18 to dash 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 dash. So it will be 8.3 bar. Sorry, 0.83 bar. Right? 8.333. So 5 by 6 is 0.83 bar. That is why minus 3. Sorry, I have mistaken here. The minus 3 by 4 is minus 0.75. Minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 0.75. 5 by 6 is 0.83. If you see a number line also, if you write number line, so this will be 0, this will be minus 1, this will be 1, plus 1, right? So minus 0.75. So this will be minus 1. In exactly middle there will be 0.5, half. This will be minus 0.5. Here this will be 0.25, nothing but minus 0.25. This will be minus 0.75. So this will be minus 0.75 and here 0.83, right? So right, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. After 0.8 somewhere will be 0.83 plus 0.83 bar, right? Somewhere 0.83 bar will be there. So here are all the numbers. So how many numbers you have to write? 10 numbers. So minus 0.75, you start there. After this minus 0.75. So if you go in this direction, right, this is 0. You go on continue, minus 0.7, minus 0.6, minus 0.5, minus 0.6, sorry, minus 0.4, minus 0.3, minus 0.2, minus 0.1, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Up to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers we have written, right? So that is one of the methods. Easy. This is the easiest method if you understand the numbers, right? Minus 0.75. Otherwise you have to equalize the denominator, right? Without changing the value of the fraction, you have to equalize the denominators. So minus 3 by 4, 5 by 6. There will be no confusion in this. So 4 table, 6 table. What have 6? Sorry, 4 table, 6 table. What that number comes first? The number that comes is 12. 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12. So multiply this by 3, numerator and denominator. Multiply here by 2, numerator and denominator. So this will become minus 9 by 12. This will become 10 by 12. So now you can write any number of fraction. You can write 10 easily here. Minus 9 to 10, there will be more than 10 numbers, right? So you can write the numbers are minus 8 by 12 between them. Minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12, minus 3 by 12, minus 2 by 12, minus 1 by 12, 0 by 12, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 by 12, completed. So these are the numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. You can write again 2 by 12, 3 by 12, right? So we keep comma between all, right?